Namaste everyone. Hope you are doing absolutely fine at your place. Today I just came to talk about my new course which I operate throughout year, the online Pranayama and Breathwork certification course, which is an international certification program designed for all the yoga teachers around the world who wish to learn a specific pranayama to teach their students. Also, this course is well designed for any beginner who wish to learn what is pranayama and Vedic breathwork system for self. If you wish to go on to the journey of pranayama to the meditation, this is very well designed program, and I suggest everyone who want to learn from the beginning and become a master of pranayama, you can join my this program and you can lead through your journey of pranayama to meditation for others as well. So, if you wish to know more details about the program, you can submit your application or you can connect via WhatsApp and ask your question. For any further questions, please do the requested and I would be happy to assist you. So, hope to see you soon. And if you have anything, please connect. Om Tasha.